We want to talk about the 4th of July holiday and the effect it can have on some people, especially veterans. The issue is fireworks, which can be a trigger for people who suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder.
The DeBakey VA Medical Center says less than 50% of veterans with PTSD are actually getting help for it. Health reporter Haley Hernandez talked to them about how smartphone apps can help even on nights and weekends. Haley.
Yeah, that's good news, right? And there is a greater need for mental health providers because there are so many patients. Dr. Jan Lindsay has been studying whether technology can get people the help that they need. And what she's found is specifically 2 apps used alongside therapy can be beneficial.
Delivering cards and comfort with his service pup, Sergeant Timothy Stroud says you don't have to be a VA patient, you don't even have to be a veteran to use these apps, PTSD Coach and PTSD Family.
One of the things I love about this app is that you can remain anonymous.
He says he uses the app once or twice a week. Here's why.
Or there's an accident or you hear fireworks over the 4th of July and you get that trigger and you're like, okay, I'm getting there. What do I do? Now you've got a reminder that's here. And one of the things I also love about it, you can connect with some of the other veteran service organizations.
While the information doesn't go anywhere, says Dr. Jan Lindsay, it will track your patterns and behavior to help you identify what causes PTSD.
Some folks use it before to kind of understand what kind of therapy is going to be like. Some people use it during the therapy. Others like to use it after the therapy has finished.
But she's not convinced they can be used on their own. Dr. Lindsay says it is best to couple the apps with therapy, which can also be done through your phone, even with family or partners.
But we found, even when you live in downtown Houston, driving, 5 miles, 10 miles during traffic, and so you're able to connect because family is such an important part of PTSD treatment.
Stroud found the apps work for him, so he's telling others.
In the military, we're taught, watch one, do one, teach one. And so when you go through a program, you don't treat it like the ring in Lord of the Rings. My precious. No, you share it with everybody.
And symptoms that may indicate these exercises are needed include disrupted sleep, difficulty falling and staying asleep, nightmares, quick to anger, panic attacks. Now, it's important to remember that treatment for PTSD is typically a few months. It is not forever. Dr. Lindsay says then patients may choose to use the apps after that to reinforce their progress and their coping skills. So just one other tool in your toolbox.
Yeah, hoping more and more people choose to get help.
Yeah,
Well,
exactly.
Thank you, Haley.
Thanks, guys.